Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today is Thursday, so it is adding into our reference journal day. So I thought because we've got a little bit of a hearty week, I would make these lovely embellishments, which I did about 3 years ago now. So I thought I would come back and show you how I did it. I'll pop the original video underneath here so you can take a look as well. But these are really lovely. They're little fold-out journal embellishments. I've made a little belly band here which would stick down like that, and this would just sort of like slip in like that. And what they do, they open out and you've got a lovely space to embellish on there, not embellish, to journal on. And they just fold up really nicely, just like that, and then you would pop it into your journal. So that's so simple. And I've also done this one which tucks in underneath like that. You've got two little circles, not quite in the center with my little eyelet there, but never mind. And these just come out like this, and then you've got lovely little journal spots just like that to journal on, and they're all sort of like hidden under little heart-shaped petals of a flower. So they just tuck in each one, they just fold out just like that. You fold the edges in like that. I'm going to show you how you do it, and then they just tuck in like a little flower, and this bit you would stick down onto your page, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Now the original one I only did 4 petals, but on this one I was just sort of like twisting them like that and just putting them overlapping them a little bit, and I think you could probably fit 6 in there. So I'm going to make another one. I will show you how they are, how to make them really simple. So let me just pop that to the side. Now I've got some tea stain paper here. Now this is 4x4. Okay, so what you want to do is take any square, any shape, any size square like that, and then you fold it in half. You would fold it in half again like that, make sure it's nice and straight, and then you would do it diagonally like this way. So when you do it diagonally, this you must keep as your middle bit, okay, because I did read some of the comments and a lot of you found that they fell apart. So this is the middle of your page, of your square, so you need to keep that as the middle. Okay, so fold it like that, keep holding on to that, and this is where you cut. I think some of you must have held them it this way and cut this side, and they will fall apart if you do that. So what you need to do then, you just cut a little, I'll draw it on there, look, just a little shape like that, just a little arch like that, and that's what you would cut out. Okay, so it just cuts out like that, and then when you open it up, you open up like that, and you'd have a little flower like that. So it's quite simple. Okay, I'm going to show you again. You have your square, okay, so you just want to fold it in half. Okay, fold it in half again. Remember, this is your middle, so hold on to the middle bit, don't cut that side, and then you fold it from corner to corner, just these two here like that. And then if you want them all the same, take this one, didn't cut that very well, did I? Cut that round like that. So this is your middle, pop that on there like that, and then you've got your little template, and then you can just cut round it just like that, and then you have 2 lovely little flowers. So that's a good way to have a flower as well. So they're so simple. And then what you would do to fold it up, you want to push these 2 in. Where you folded it, 2 of the sides are bent in, so they just squash in and they squash down like that, and there you've got your lovely little heart petal. Again on this side, just open them up like that. So you've got these 2 which will go in because it's how you folded them. Just push those in, and that one on top, So it's a little bit of origami, and then you've got 2 lovely petals. So then what we want to do is pop them in here, this one, like that, and they just fit into your little flower. So you can fit 6 in there. This one I think I did a little bit too small. So they just overlap. So which way do they overlap? Like that. So they can go round like that. So they all sit in, and I think that looks really, really lovely. And then you would just stick that down. So all as I've done on this, I've got Amazon packaging, which I've cut out 2 circles, and I've just popped a little eyelet in the middle on top, just like that, poke through, and then you've got a little hole in there just to pop your little petals into. So you've got 6 little journaling spots in here, and I love this one. So this is a great one to go into your journal. So that folds in like that, and you'd stick this bit down onto your page like that, which is what I will do now. Like this. So I'm just going to stick it with a little bit of 3-in-1, but again use a nice strong glue, and don't get it all over your petals. Stick that down again, stick it wherever you like on the page, but I want to stick the other one down as well. So I'm going to pop that one at the bottom. So I think that's really lovely. Don't forget to sort of ink it. Again, make it out of whatever papers, whatever will go in your journal that you're making at the time. But I think making it out of the tea stain at the moment to go in here, I do like. So this one was a 6x6 piece of paper, and I folded it exactly the same way, and these pieces just go in, so you've got all that lovely journaling space. All as I did was I did another one out of book paper and added that in, stuck it on the top, and then this is just a strip of paper which I'm going to stick down either side onto your page. Make sure we're up the right way. I've just popped 2 little brads in there just for decoration, but again, you don't have to. It's entirely up to you. You can just pop it on your page like that, and you can add some little flowers or butterflies or pop some little gems on there, whatever you like. So that sticks onto your page, and that would go in there as a little journaling spot. So I think these are really, really lovely. So I will pop the link to the video down below so you can have a look at the original one, but I think that's a really good journal embellishment. So that's really good because it's called the Foldout Journal Embellishment. Now this one here that I was going to pop in, we made this little, this is journal number 6, little flip out journal number 6 that we made this week. And I'm going to put, this is the template that I used, so I'm going to pop all these pieces in here just in case I want to make it again. So I put journal 6 on here, and I've got my paper clip there. Now I think I might actually keep this one in here as well, just as a reference for me to show how I decorated it. So I'm going to clip that on there. Let me just get a paper clip just for now anyway, just so that I can remember. Let's pop that on there. So that's it. So we're coming along nicely with our journal. Right, so next week what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a few pages, just popping things in on here. I'll do a couple of pages with different pockets and things like that on there. So that will be next Thursday. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Please give it a go. It's not as hard as you think, but make sure you hold the middle bit. Don't cut this middle bit. I think that's where some of you have gone wrong. You've cut the wrong end. So just make sure you know where the middle bit and cut the other side. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please take care, and I will see you soon. All right, guys. Bye-bye.